Welcome to Amos 2 Cents. In this video, I'm going to talk about IT certifications in USA. Is it worth to do IT certifications and spend all that money and time on getting those certifications? Will the hiring managers they are going to look into that and ask you question or get impressed from those? So let's talk about that. Now, as I has worked with many companies and involved in training a lot of people in IT. Also, I hired many of the talent in for different companies. What I am seeing, the people really don't care about IT certification. If you go and you're a manager who is going to hire a new person, a software developer or a database engineer or any IT person, he's not going to see the IT certification because a lot of time they know that these IT certification are done by dumps. They are done by those, there are different websites. People go there and buy those $50, subscription and just download those all 50 questions or 30 questions and get it done with the IT certifications. What exactly the hiring managers or people who are going to interview they are going to look into it. They're going to look into technical items that you are bringing to the table. They're going to look into your experience. So they're going to ask you, okay, last company what you have done, and they are going to ask you questions from that part of it. They're going to ask you a lot of questions from your previous experience, and there would be some really technical, like basic technical questions. So let's say if you are going in a database engineering, database. If you are going as a database engineer, like a SQL Server or Oracle, they're going to ask you very technical question like how you take the backups, how you will do the restore. If your restore failed, how you do that, what steps you take. So they're going to ask you all those technical questions, and having a certification, a lot of people, I can tell you, like I have all those certifications, in Microsoft, MCDBA or MCIT, and all those kind of things. But nobody ever asked me or got impressed from my IT certifications. Nobody ever even looked at them. So and I hired a lot of people, and I don't look at it all as well. I look at the person. Okay, I ask him question if his communication skills are good, if technical skills are good, and what he has done on the previous work. If he's a totally fresher, then I ask him about what courses you have taken, and then take one course. Let's say I want to hire him as a database engineer, then I'm going to dig into his skills in a database subject, instead of asking him, what certification you have and all that, because people knows that certifications are pretty much like those are totally like. Uh, the people has bought those certifications. They spend $50, got their questions, and just remember those questions and pass those certifications. So I don't see worth doing IT certifications in America in real time. There could be a scenario. You have this totally new manager. He's not very much experienced. Maybe he just became a new manager. He never got to know about this certification business. Like, okay, these all dumps are available. People just pass those certifications without no effort and all those kind of things. Maybe he would recommend that. Oh, I would like to see somebody with the certification. So there would be like 5 to 10% maybe people who would like to have, if you are certified, in some technology. But rest of that, I don't see anybody really care about your certification. It is about the technical knowledge you have. So I will suggest, instead of spending a lot of money, like maybe you have spent $1,000 just getting your three certification, I will suggest you spend that time learning the technical terms, learning the technical knowledge. Go on Stack Overflow, go on the forum, and read those real time problems what people are facing, and that's where that's gonna be helpful for you to pass the interview. So I hope this video will help you and guide you a little bit, if you are spending money on the IT certification, and that's like, okay, is it worth or is it not in the United States of America? So these are my 2 cents. If you have different experience, please go ahead and share, and let's talk about that in the comments. So thank you very much for watching.